ending inventories. The inventory value for the financial statements of ABC Co. for the year ended 31 May 20X6 was based on an inventory count on 6 of June 2026, which gave a total inventory value of $190,000. Between 31 May and 6 June 20X6, the following transactions took place. Purchase of goods, $2,350. Sale of goods, markup on cost at 15%, $2,990. Goods returned by ABC Co. to supplier, $300. What figure should be included in the financial statements for inventories at 31 May 20X6? Answer: ending inventory equals $190,000 minus $2,350 plus $300 plus $2,990 plus 100 divided by 115 equals $190,550.